Wanted to show you something here. These BMW turn signals are supposed to be rubber, but they're not. See this little screw here? This is important. So what I did is I bought 2 new ones. I got them on eBay for $40. Can't believe they're that cheap. But the thing is, you take this apart, you go inside, you unplug the 2 wires from inside, and then you change the whole thing out. You can pull the whole thing off, and they're fixed. First time I've ever seen BMW do anything with a half a brain. Because to go inside, you got to take all kinds of shit apart to get to it. So we'll be back in a little bit. So here's what you get. The brown wire and the blue wire. And they just simply unplug. Alright, so you take that bolt out. Wires are unplugged. You got to pull them out one at a time. Just like that. And that plastic thing in the middle was my own invention to try and make it last. And now we're going to put the new one on. Now, since I haven't tested the new one, I'm going to reuse this one and plug it in. Brown to the outside on the right side. And there you go, good as new. Not a lot of movement, but good deal. So there we go, both installed. Thanks to Bandit Nev for getting me excited to go back on Fleabay and see if I could find 2 local old school turn signals, which I did. So excellent. All right, that's how you do it.